Good morning. Welcome to the Lasham Daily Briefing for Tuesday, the 23rd of December, 2025. So we're looking here at the synoptic at midnight last night, and there's basically low pressures to the south and into the mid, high pressures to the north and east of us, and a few fronts lying around the country. If we run that through to lunchtime today, you can see there's very little change in the positions of the pressure systems or the fronts. There's a weak warm front basically lying down over the north of Scotland, down through Ireland, down into the English Channel, and a weak cold front running right down the east coast of the UK. We take that through midnight tonight into lunchtime tomorrow, it's Christmas Eve. You can see the high pressure starting to dominate, and we'll be bringing in an easterly flow, and we'll have to wait and see what that brings tomorrow. It will certainly be a little bit colder with Arctic air coming down across Western Russia, across Europe, and across the UK. The sat pic this morning shows a fair bit of cloud cover across the country, but there will be some gaps in that. Rain-wise, there's very little to worry about. It's all disappearing off to the southwest. Looking at the forecast for rain, you can see that actually happening. Any rain that is coming into the country is coming in up near the Wash and across the Midlands and Birmingham. It doesn't really get down our way until late in the afternoon. So I doubt we'll see anything today by the way of rain. The Odium TAF is missing. They've obviously broken up for the Christmas break. And looking at the METAR, they've got 040, 10 knots, 5 kilometres visibility with mist, overcast at 700 feet, temperature 72.5, pressure 1014. Farnborough, excuse me, they do have a TAF, and they're forecasting 060, 9 knots, greater than 10 visibility, scattered at 1,800 feet, temporarily between now and 6 o'clock this evening, broken at 1,300 feet. Spot winds to the north of us, 060, 50 knots at 1,000 feet, and 060, 20 knots at 1,000 feet to the south. Windy showing a northeasterly flow across the country all day long. And if we have a look at the Met Office forecast, the wind there, northeasterly 11 to 12 knots, kind of concurs with the windy forecast as well. It's going to be overcast all day, very little chance of rain, temperature about 6 degrees centigrade at best. GFS are also suggesting it's going to be about 6 degrees centigrade with the dew point down around about 3. And looking at the temperature here at Lasham right now, we have 6 degrees centigrade already with the dew point at about 4.5. Camera on the south side shows that northeasterly flow, and it shows that we are overcast and we do have a little bit of haze or mist. And we move on to sky side, that's suggesting cloud base is well below 1,000 feet up until about 1 o'clock, 1:30, when it's only just above 1,000 feet. So whether you get out flying today or not, it really all depends on cloud base, I fear. Top meteo, if we look at the Lasham area, this dark orange is cloud base down below 1,000 feet. The light yellows is above 2,000 feet. So we can see that in the Lasham area, we do have low clouds pretty much most of the day. Excuse me. NOTAMs-wise, there's nothing to worry about today. It's all inside controlled airspace or far enough away that's not going to be of any issue to us. And if we move on now to the local airfield briefing, we shall start with glider bookings. There's one K21 on booked flying. It's the K21 on the casual list. There is single-seater availability, and the simulator, of course, is available as well. There's nothing to report at this time on 2XL movements, although there's one on the schedule. We haven't seen a flight plan for it yet. And the general situation today is there's low pressure to the south and west, high to the north and east. One front's close to the west, and there's an east-northeasterly flow across the region. If they do go out today, it'll be runway 09, winter ops. And please be ready when the cable or tug arrives, and please do not land or taxi on the disused runways which are shown here in red. Of course, make sure you wash your gliders at the end of the day. So here's a possible setup. Dave Williams is running the airfield today, and he may choose to move forward and do full winter ops, but for the time being, this is what I'm suggesting. Launch point vehicle in usual place, winching off the southern half of the main runway, aero towing off the northern half of the main runway. Both left and right hand circuits to land on 09 grass. So that's it from me today. Dave, we'll see you out there. He's looking after you. If you do go out and you do get flying, have a good day's flying. Enjoy yourselves and please keep it safe. And I shall wish you a Merry Christmas at this point, because I'm now off until Saturday or Sunday. I shall see you then.